Hello, my brother, Luena, my sister. So today I'm gonna be listing best Likompo music videos that are currently out, including visualizers. Let's go. On number 7, we have Kielani Hala Hit by the Double P, featuring Kchelo, Zinxumalo, and it's currently sitting on 431,772 views, and it dropped on the 8th of May 2025. On number 6, we have Jele by Prince Benza and Karishma. Well, it's a visualizer. Currently sitting on 586,767 views, and it dropped on the 25th of October 2024. Moving on to the next one. So on number 5, we have Bao Jelasa by Janesh and Abiwa Mampela, featuring Hit Boss SA, Riri AJ. Currently sitting on 1,351,418 views, and it dropped on the 7th of February 2025. On number 4, we have Silaling, another visualizer by Janesh, featuring Master, Hit Boss SA, and Riri AJ, currently sitting on 2,474,066 views, dropped on the 24th of November 2024. On number 3, we have Hilang by DJ Janisto, featuring Karishma and Mac Ease, sitting on 3,284,697 views, dropped on the 21st of December 2024. On number 2, we have Chalk Slam by Karishma and Babette, sitting on 6,276,833 views, and it dropped on the 11th of December 2024. Last but not least, our number 1 is Dudla or Slender by Shandesh and Mazu, sitting on 6,578,956 views, and it dropped on the 25th of April 2025. Yeah, Likompo is really doing the most in terms of numbers and streams, and I'm really happy for it. I'm happy for Likompo artists, but I wish they could drop more music videos. Likompo artist, rakupa hle, ralikupa hle. Please drop more music videos. We need more music videos because the songs are mwah, the music is mwah. Into eshodayo nje kuphela ama-music video. Please try to drop more videos. Racela, yamkombela, siyanicela. We beg you. Yeah, kodwa yeah, on a serious note though, please drop more music videos. Please. You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.